Scorpio, Scorpio, Scorpio. Welcome po sa Scorp's World Tarot, fellow OFW. Magandang araw, tanghali, gabi. Welcome po. Sana ay masaya at masagana at madaming pera ang mga Scorpio sa 2026. Yan po ang wish natin. Yan, masaya. So kailangan natin ng pambayad ng insurance. Tama po ba? At saka masaya yung family at pag masaya yun, walang mangungulit na pambayad ulit at or pangbayad sa doktor, etc. Ayan, alam natin po yan. So, ituloy natin Scorpio, January 1 to 15, fellow Scorpio. Okay, excited din po ako kasi marami akong manifestation noong full moon and new moon. So, 2026, start na ng taon. So, panibagong panimula po yan sa atin. So, I myself look forward for 2026. So, tingnan natin, Scorpio. Fellow Scorpio. What Scorpio needs to know? Oops, mabilis. So, yung energy natin, yung isipan, okay? Huwag tayong makipagtalo sa isip. So, piliin natin yung dapat nating ipaglaban. Yeah? Piliin natin yung dapat ipaglaban. Very simple. A good start for the year, 2026. Huwag tayong makipagtalo kung hindi naman dapat hindi worthy. Five of Swords, I always masalimuot na energy ito eh. Okay? So, ito po yung fake na winning ka. Ito yung mga sinasabi ko na superficial win na magpo-post ka na sa social media na ay, nakapunta ako rito o nakakain ako rito ng masarap, tapos mag-i-smile ka kasama yung mga kaibigan, pero deep inside, you're not really happy. Kasi it's a show. It's a show. Yeah? Ano lang siya, isang palabas. Yeah? Okay. Tignan natin. So, the way I take this is, hindi importante. Kapag hindi importante, wag sayangin. Wag sayangin. For 2026. Start the year 2026 in a realistic way. Yeah? Okay. Tingnan pa natin. Marami pong major shift to happen in 2026. So, yung mga kalokohan, mga kalokohan ng mga gobyerno, yung anything like that, mabubuyang-yang. That's the mostly ng astrologers na nakita ko. Yun ang prediction. So, death and rebirth. So, again, know who you are. We should know who we are. Okay? Kapag nakuha mo yung element na alam mo kung anong gusto mo at sino ka, itong Five of Swords na to, element na yan ng fake, you don't even care. Okay? You don't even care what other people will say. Okay, ituloy natin. January 1 to 15, 2025. What Scorpio needs to know. Tignan natin. Fellow Scorpio. Okay. Fellow Scorpio. Iba-iba po tayo ng timeline at background. So, kung makaresonate po, shout out and you can apply this to your situation now. Okay. Scorpio, January 1 to 15. Tignan natin. Okay, give me blind spot. One card lang. Blind spot. Oops, medyo ba? Wala. Okay. Blind spot. Give me blind spot. What Scorpio needs to know. Fellow Scorpio. Bigyan mo ako ng magandang reading for Scorpio. See? The more na, i-connect ito, the more na ma-detach mo yung, sabi ko, know who you are. The more na ma-detach mo what is superficial, kung ano dapat mo pang ipaglaban at pagtuunan at pag-isipan at problemahin, the more na you will have that happiness. Inner happiness po ito. Yes? So, Scorpio, very deep. We don't need recognition. Tama po ba? Okay. Hindi ka kumukuha ng attention. Mas gusto mong masaya ka inside than the fake news. Yeah, this is fake news. Okay? Yung tipong weekend, meron kang konting barya, magkakape ka, yeah, magpakape ka Scorpio, okay? And you spend time na mag-people watching or magbasa ng news sa online or makipag-text ka sa kaibigan, sa family, those kind of things. You're gonna have that, you're gonna claim that. Yeah, you will claim that. You will feel it flows, okay? It flows naturally. It flows naturally. Walang pagod. Okay? Walang pagod. So kasama na diyan yung pamilya mo. Walang drama, happy family, happy relationship, and happy life. Okay? Let's work for that 2026. Okay. January 1 to 15. Give me blind spot. Again, tricky itong 5 of sword, okay? Iba-iba po tayong sitwasyon. Okay, minsan kailangan gawin din yan, lalo sa paligid. Okay, what Scorpio needs to know? Give me one blind spot. One blind spot, isa lang. Ituloy natin. Yeah, tumatalon. Okay. See? Balance. Keep that balance. Yan ang subliminal message ng full moon. Okay? Now, this is karmic. Karmic. Yeah? So, ito yung missed opportunity darating. Ito yung tinulungan mo na hindi nagbayad, magugulat ka, magbabayad. Ito yung effort na binibigay mo na without asking for anything in return, you're gonna have that support. Yung sitwasyon lang sometimes ng ibang tao, iba-iba. Okay? So, nanghiram ka, pinahiram mo, tapos, ngayon, maski na hindi ka nagniningil, ito yung elemento. That's the energy. Yes? Okay? So, again, page, bata, emotion, okay. So, a little TLC will make, things happen for you. Okay, when I say things happen for you, sometimes, minsan, medyo academic ang Scorpio eh. Okay, very academic. We follow the rules. We follow the structure. Alam natin yan. Okay? Pero nawawala elemento na minsan makukuha natin yung gusto natin if we, you know, ano naman po ito, pakigawa or something, instead na ngak ugali ng Scorpion. Be childlike, lambing, a simple lambing, na yung humor, okay, because I see yung baboy merong pakpak, okay, parang fairy tales, yeah, minsan bata simple mag-isip na ano lang siya, bata, yes, inosente, pero pag sinabi niya na, ay, pengi pong piso, di ba bibigyan siya, simple gesture of act of kindness. Okay, that's what I can sense here. Kasi, the more yung karmic reward mo, okay, itong Scorpio na nasa harapan ko, the more you're gonna get it quick. Oh, sorry, lumipad, tinamaan. More quicker, okay? That's the balance. 6, I always say this as a karmic card. Karma. This is karma. Anong itinanim, siyang aanihin. Yeah? So, yung tulong, it's a vicious cycle. Vicious cycle. Inaway mo yung konduktor, well, wala tayong magagawa. Okay? Unless they did something. Iba pong sitwasyon yan. Pero what I mean is, ngayon, sobrang hirap ng buhay. Nakikita ko sa news yung mga nag-aaway sa walang sa traffic na yung small things, ingat po doon. Ito yung sinasabi, word, di ba yun? Or 'di ba yun, yung mga ganong kalokohan. Kasi 2026 sabi ko maraming shift, big shift, okay? Wala na yung ano, it's very ano, um, what's the word? Hindi lang reset eh, cleansing. I will use the word cleansing. It's a cleansing year for everybody, all sign. So, there will be a lot of karma, a lot of karma, a lot of judgment. Okay, that's the ano, that's the shift that will happen. Okay, so a small, tender, loving care will go a long way. Okay, go to childlike type of ano, yung ano natin, yung pag-iisip, or not necessarily isip bata tayo, but it can create some miracle. Okay, it can create some wonder. Kasi parang fairy tales eh, di ba? Fairy tales, parang happy ending lahat, but in reality, life is difficult. Yes, life is difficult po. That's how it is. We just need to learn how to navigate it the 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 best way possible, how to survive. Tama po ba? Okay, Scorpio. Okay. Lalo sa mga fellow OFW, alam niyo yan, magtatrabaho sa abroad, it's not easy. Tama po ba? Umiiyak na lang kayo ng nag-iisa, or or wala kang makahanap na talagang tunay na kaibigan, or gagamitin ka. Yeah. O, see? Oh, judgment, okay? That's the karma. That's the karma. Maraming mangyayari po niyan. 2026. If you want to do your research on some astrologers reading for 2026, it's all about cleansing. Okay? Okay. Queen of Sword. Okay? So, a lot of decision, and need to be careful of decision. Okay? Ito ang sinasabi ko. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Sometimes hindi yung mga fake na superficial win, it's not important. It's not important. Yeah? Huwag makipagsabayan. January 1 to 15. Okay, what else? Tignan pa natin yung message sa fellow Scorpio. I like this type of reading po kasi especially for beginning of the year. I mean, ako po ay kasi ayoko ng yung slow. Gusto ko, I rather have it slow pacing before na I want na biglang big shift towards second quarter, para at least it's a preparation kasi pagod ka na dun sa prior years eh. We completed the cycle. Yeah? So I want to start fresh. I have my intention already, and then I'm gonna work doon sa goal ko. And ano, yung trajectory ko is will happen normally mga second quarter. Preparation ako ng first quarter. And this is one of those. Okay, tingnan natin. Medyo bias ako sa Scorpio reading kasi Scorpio din po ako. So, I'm also interested. Okay, tingnan natin. Oh, okay. So, what is this? The High Priestess, okay? Our intuition. O, page of 1, okay? Yung bata na naman, okay? January, okay, this is January 1 to 15, advanced reading. So, i-increase natin yung I remember yung survival instinct and intuition. Ang full moon, check nyo po. It's all about wolf. Wolf moon po yung tawag dun sa January full moon. It's all about survival instinct. So, para sa 2026, simula pa lang, we need to raise that bar. Okay? Yung instinct natin, itaas natin antena, yung radar natin, Scorpio. Okay? Malakas tayo dyan. Yung struktura, we keep that structure. Yung paniniwala natin, belief, religion, pundasyon yan eh. Hindi tayo makakatakas sa society. Okay? Pagbayad ng credit card, again, uulitin ko, simpleng-simple. This is survival instinct. Yeah? I call it common sense for Scorpio. Alam natin yan. So, survival instinct is all about common sense for 2026. Again, yung bata, kaya dalawang lumitaw itong page, batang mag-isip, batang magdesisyon. I think how I will interpret this is sometimes yung simple things we get more answer by thinking simple. Yeah? Dahil sa mahirap talaga yung buhay, it's a complex life. So, we need to reach out. Yung humugot tayo dun sa past experiences when we are growing. Yes? Parang ano to eh, going back again to the drawing board. Minsan, it helps. It helps. It will help dito sa Scorpio na nasa harapan ko. And for me also. So, sometimes, in a complex situation, parang ano mo, i-deep dive mo, hihimayin mo yung sitwasyon para hindi ka hindi ka makikipagtalo or hindi ka ano ba tawag dito? Yeah, you show off na, ay, kaya ko yan. O kaya ko i-resolve yung problema na yan. Ganito yan eh. You know, you get your recognition, pero hindi mo naman pala ma-deliver. That's just part of it. Kaya sinasabi ko, social media, fake news na you want to show off na, ay, maganda ako, ay, mapogi ako, ay, nagwo-workout ako, ay, those kind of things. Pero deep inside, wala namang sustansya. This is the five of sword. Yes, survival for 2026 is use the common sense. If you want to live in this type of environment, wala pong problema, walang judgment. But problem cannot be resolved by doing this type of things. Yung energy ng five of sword. Problems can be solved and the happiness that you are looking for can be achieved by itaas mo yung radar. Okay? Yung belief setting mo, i-ano mo pa rin yan. Ituloy, keep that faith. And humugot ka. Humugot ka noong what you learn from your childhood past. Okay? Ito yung mga panapangarap natin ng bata tayo. Ito yung mga what make us happy. Simple things. Kaya sinabi ko, magkakape ka, you're gonna be happy. Go for that one. Wala munang extravagance. I can sense here. Wala munang extravagance. Okay? Wala munang hangin. Okay? Wala munang hangin. Focus on your childhood dream, yung inspiration mo, humugot ka doon sa pagkabata. That would make you even more happy. Happier. Yeah? Okay. Mahirap po yung buhay. We need to survive. Especially, start of the year, you don't want to be on this, hangin kaagad. Okay? Mabigat na. Mabigat simulan ang taon. Yeah? Okay. Okay. I can sense na meron pang gustong sabihin. Okay. Bias po kasi ako, Scorpio. I just want to validate. I just want to get one more. Okay. What else Scorpio needs to know? January 1 to 15. Give me blind spot. Give me blind spot. Give me blind spot. Give me blind spot. What else Scorpio needs to know? Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Oops. Hindi sa'yo to. Hindi sa'yo yan. That's Taurus. No, sorry, no, that's Temperance. Okay. Okay. Meron ka bang Taurus placement? I don't know bakit naisip ko yun. Okay. Okay, tuloy natin, Scorpio, sorry. Okay. I just want to get one validation. Validation. One blind spot. Give me one card. Give me one card. Yeah. Lumipad. Nasaan siya? Okay. Dalawa yung binigay. Okay. Okay. You're dealing with a Cancer and also a Gemini. Okay? Now, this is expansion. Kung relationship na with a Gemini, yes, so keep that balance, communication, and also okay, pipick up ako rito. Okay, enjoy. Okay, pipick up ko rito. Okay, enjoy. Okay, wag masyadong pushy. Cancer, kung may cancer ka, emotion mo, contain. Kasi nandito na naman yung black and white moving to two different direction. Okay? It's all about ano mo yung kabayo, rendahan mo. Okay? Contain your emotion. Scorpio. Keep that balance if you're looking for that relationship. Itong Scorpio na nasa harapan ko, or if you're in a relationship kay Gemini, okay, it will be start ng expansion. Ito yung lilipat ka ng bahay, ito yung magpapakasal ka na, ito yung mag-engage ka na, ito yung magli-live-in na kayo, ito yung magpaplano na kayo ng mag-open ng savings account. Yeah. Yeah, ayan, nakita ko kasi ito eh. Oh, mag-open na kayo ng savings account. Ito na yung anything like that, okay? Tataas yung level nyo, relationship nyo. You're going to move to the next level. Yeah? Kung if you're dealing with Gemini. And Cancer is telling, if you have Cancer placement, rendahan mo. Rendahan mo yung kabayo. Dagukan mo siya para tumakbo into one direction only. That's how you win. That's how you start your 2026. January 1 to 15. Ano to? Spillover ng 2025, yung intention mo, putol po, naputol na, naubusan ako ng battery. So, yeah, okay, ituloy ko lang po. So, spillover for 2020, from 25 to 26. So, expansion and partnership. Yeah, kung you're preparing to get married or to move to the next level yung relationship. Okay, I can see it. A Gemini here. Yeah? So, sa Scorpio na mayroong partner, spouse, or husband, or boyfriend, or girlfriend na Gemini or Cancer sign. Yan ang big player na nasa dynamics ng situation ninyo. Okay, so, kuha ako ng last moon oracle card. Last moon. Okay, fellow Scorpio. Last moon oracle card, last message, January 1 to 15. Bigyan natin ng, this is a good reading po. I like this practical, especially preparing for January, start of the year. One oracle card. Okay, moon oracle. Yeah, okay, sabi dito. Okay, Scorpio. Okay, the time is ripe for seeking new opportunities. Yeah, yes, new opportunities. So, you have expansion here. That's new opportunities. Kung ano po yung sitwasyon nyo sa buhay, now, iakma ninyo. The lovers is not only relationship, it's a connection, it's a partnership. Bagong negosyo ba ito? Bagong employer? You have to connect with those people around you. Those are new opportunities, and you need to have that uh, childlike, yun ang yun ang nababasa ko dito ko, childlike curiosity, yes, to make things balance, tama po, and it's easier for us to navigate yung happiness kasi relative po yung happiness. Okay? Relative po. Relative po yung sa sitwasyon. Survival instinct, we need that. Common sense. Relative po yung masaya. Okay? Masaya ka na magbayad ng credit card, kumain ng 3 beses ang araw, o kumain ka ng, may dessert. Relative po yan. Okay? But again, it's all about having that childlike perspective. It makes your life and simple pleasure, magkape, fulfilling and happy. Yeah? Okay. So, good reading. January 1 to 15. So, salamat fellow Scorpio. Ingat po tayo. See you again.